Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
O Lord, we give you thanks
How are you,
for your
ma'am?
mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and dear ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us, fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. All of you, please open your eyes and please listen to ma'am. How are you all?
I'm fine, thank you.
Last class we discussed how to write the number name, and today we are going to have just opposite of that. That means I will give the number name, you have to tell me the number. Got it? Okay, just
Okay,
opposite.
ma'am.
It's very simple. Last class we already discussed how to write the number name. Today number name I will give, you have to write the numeral or number. Okay, now let me share the screen and ma'am will tell you when you have to open the notebook. Please listen. Okay. Let me share the screen. It's okay. No, no problem. You just come. Just we started only, my dear.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
Ma'am, right?
no need to write now. 756. Okay. It's a number name. 756. This is a number name. We have to write the number or numeral. Another word for number. That is numeral. Okay. How we will write? 700. Listen here. Listen here. 756. It's very simple. It's a 3-digit number. So having 3 places. Okay. Please mute your device. Having 3 digits. Okay, so 3 places will be there, and we know the rightmost place, that is ones place, then we have tens place, then 100 place. No, you mute your device. Ma'am will tell you when you have to unmute, please. Okay, now 700. So already it is understood. 700, that means at 100 place we have the number 7, and 56 together, tens and ones place together, so that is 56. So 756. Okay, let us see another one. NINE. HUNDRED and FIVE 5. No need to write now, listen here. We can read this 905. This is also a 3-digit number. So having 3 places. So ones, tens, 100. Now read the question once again. 900. So at 100's place we have the number 9 and 5 and 5, only 1 digit, ones place only, no, and 5. So we can write the number 5 at the ones place, and tens place will be 0. So 905. Yes Aisha, please tell me.
Right.
Ma'am will tell you when you have to write, please. Okay, usually we are understanding what we are studying, then only we are opening the notebook, no? So please be quiet. We just started only, no? So please be quiet and listen to ma'am. Ma'am will tell you when you have to open your notebook. Okay, now let us see another one. Let me share the screen once again. Let us see one more number. THREE 3, HUNDRED and please mute your device. So here we can see 325. So let us see ones, tens, 100. These are the 3 places. Now it is written here 300. So at hundreds place we can write the number 3. And 25. So tens and 1 is there. So 25. So the numeral is 325. 325. Is it clear? Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Let us see one more number. Let us see one more number. Then we can write in the notebook. SEVEN 7 HUNDRED. See, only 700. 700. There is no one sentence. So we can write ones, tens, and hundred. 700. So you can write number 7 at the hundreds place. But nothing is here at the tens and ones place. If nothing is here, which number we will write? Sarah, which number we will write?
1.
Ah, 0. We write 0. If nothing is here, we will write the number 0. 70. 700. That means 700. That means 700. Adam Jutuni. Then the next Adam only. See, I want to tell you one thing. Please listen here. Now we are studying maths. No, maths. Not English or Malayalam or EVS. Maths we are studying. And some of the students are chatting. Means at the chat box they are writing something. It's very bad. You can't understand what we are taking. So please be careful. Okay? Please listen here. Please listen here. So is it clear how to write the numeral?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So read the number carefully. You can see the hundreds place, tens place, and the ones place. So just write the number. That's enough. Okay. Now you can take your notebook. Please take your notebook. All of you, please take your notebook. Let me share the screen once again.
Ma'am, I have taken. Ma'am, fresh page.
Yeah, fresh page.
Ma'am, I have taken.
Now you please listen here. Okay. So now we are going to write the numeral for a given number name. Numeral for a given number name. Now we can write the question first of all. WRITE, right? WRITE, right? WRITE, right? THE, right? The numerals, that means number. NUMERALS. NUMERALS. Write the numerals. That means write the number. Write the numerals. FOR, 4. Adam Tony, please switch on the video. Write the numerals for. Write the numerals for.
Ma'am, finish.
The
No.
given.
Given.
Adam, please switch on the video.
Given.
Can you complete the question? Write the numerals for the given.
Following.
Can you complete the question?
Yes.
Write the numerals for the given.
Following.
No. What they will give? See, what they will give?
Number name. Number name.
Number name. Number name. So, number name will be given. We have to write the number or numeral. So, what is the question? Write the numerals for the given Number name. N-U-M-B-E-R. Number names.
N-A-M-E-S.
W-R-I-T-E. Write T-H-E. The N-U-M-E-R-A-L-S. Numerals. F-O-R. 4. T-H. The given. G-I-V-E-N. Given number names. So number names are given. We have to write the number or numeral. So shall we write the first one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So please write number 1. Number 1 we have
Right.
S-E-V-E-N 7.
Yes, right.
Yeah. H-U-N-D-R-E-D 700.
N-D-R-E-D.
Please mute your device, otherwise it will be a disturbance for others. 700 and
Right.
F-I-F-T-Y 50 S-I-X 6. 756. So it's already there, 700. So at the 100 place we can write the number 7. Then 56. So tens and ones place is also there. So we can write the answer. First of all, write the places, means starting with ones, tens, hundreds. So 700. So we can write 7 at 100 place and 56. So 5 tens and 6 ones. The answer is 756. 756. We can write each number, each digit in each box. Marine, what are you doing? Are you writing? Now we have second one. Let me write the second one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, right. Okay, right.
Yes, ma'am.
Some are writing, let them complete after that.
Ma'am, Ahmad shall complete.
Those who have completed, please be quiet. Now, the second one, F-O-U-R. F-O-U-R. H-U-N-D-R-E-D.
F-O-U-R.
A-N-D. F-I-V-E.
400.
The question is F-O-U-R, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, A-N-D and F-I-V-E. Edel Maria, please read the question. Edel Maria, please read the question.
400 and
400 and F5. Okay, now you have to tell me the answer also. So let us write the ones and tens places. Okay, now what about at 100 place? What is the number? What is the digit? 400. So which number?
4.
Very good. Now it is given and 5. So only ones place. Tens place is not there. So at ones place we can write the number 5. What about the tens place, Edel Maria?
0.
Very good. So what is the answer? 405. 405. Okay, Edel Maria. Please write the answer. Please write the question and answer. 405.
Ma'am, I am completed. Ma'am, I have completed.
Please be quiet. You can show me the thumbs up. That's enough. Okay, if you have completed, you can show me the thumbs up. Okay, Mohammed Rishan. Now we can move to the next one. Edel Maria, shall I move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we have the third one. Please write the question. N-I-N-E. N-I-N-E. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. T-W-E-N-T-Y.
Ma'am, and
T-W-O.
ma'am, and the
Sorry, I will write.
ma'am, and is there.
Yes, I wrote. Now you write the answer. After that, I will write the answer.
Ma'am, there is an.
I wrote and. John Judy, please read the question. N-I-N-E.
922.
And tell me the answer. Okay, ones, tens, hundred. Now, at the hundreds place, what's the number? What the number I should write?
9.
9. Tens place I should write? It's 22. So,
2.
2. Ones place I have?
2.
2. Very good. So, the number is 922.
2.
Okay. You can complete. Johan, please complete it.
അടുത്തത്
Please mute your device. Now we have the fourth one. Who is talking there?
Maithili. Maithili. Maithili.
Please be quiet.
Maithili.
Please be quiet. The fourth one. S-E-V-E-N. S-E-V-E-N. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. A-N-D. N-I-N-E-T-Y. S-I-X.
I have a network issue. Please show the second question.
Second question, you can see it is already on the screen.
No problem.
Second question already on the screen.
Ma'am, that is Malavika. Tell.
Now, Adam Joe, please unmute. Okay, Adam Joe, please unmute and tell me the answer. What is the answer of question number 4? So here we can see, just 1 minute. Let me write the places. Ones, tens, and hundreds. Now at 100 place, what's the digit I should write, Adam?
7.
7. Now tens place and ones place. It is written 96. So which is the number?
9, 6.
Very good. 96. So the answer is 796. 796.
796. Ma'am, how?
Let's move to next one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
THREE. HUNDRED. THREE. HUNDRED. AND. TWENTYONE.
Three hundred and
Please be quiet. Okay, you mute your device and right. Manav, please unmute and tell me the answer. Read the question first of all, Manav.
321.
Okay, now let me write the places. Ones, tens, and 100. What's the digit that is 100 place?
3,
Tens place?
2,
Ones place?
2, 1.
And 1. Okay, so the number is 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay, good.
Narihan. I have completed. I have completed.
FOUR. HUNDRED. AND. FIFTY. Austin, please unmute and read the question number 6.
Ma'am.
Read the question.
450.
No. Okay, now let me write the places. Ones, tens, 100. Now what digit should write at for 100 place?
4.
4. Now at the tens place I should write 50. So which is a number?
5.
5. At ones place?
0.
Very good. 450. Good boy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, my dear.
Ma'am, next is Rihan.
Yes.
Next.
IGHT.
Next is Aisha.
Prarthana, what are you doing?
Ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, my page is completed, but I next page.
Oh, please take a next page. Prarthana,
Ma'am, I cannot scream bigger.
I see it's written here. You. What are you doing? What are you doing with that device? You can't see the screen.
Ma'am, the board is
So
the
you
board
just
is
ask.
smallest. I cannot.
Just ask the help from your parents. 8 HUNDRED.
Ma'am, Henry can. Mama, Isha can.
I will give you chance. Please wait.
Ma'am, Muhammad Rashan.
Mohammad Rashan, now you please tell me. Okay, read the question first.
809.
Okay, now let me write the places. Ones, tens, 100. Now at 100 place, what is the digit?
100 plus 8.
Tens place.
Ma'am, I want to say fifth question. Ma'am,
Yes, tens place. Prarthana, wait there. Who is telling the answer? Rishan. Rishan, tell me at a tens place, what's the digit?
9.
No. Listen here. That's only the thing. See, 809. So what will be at the tens place? See, listen, Rishan. Rishan, listen here. See, it is written and 9. There is no tens place. Ones place we have 9. Tens place it is 0. Okay. We should be very careful. It is 809 and 9. Only 9. So 09. Okay, you got it?
Mama, Isha.
Okay, Aisha, I will call you. Just 1 minute. Prarthana, if I took the fifth one, I can't complete it. Let me send the notes in the group.
Okay, ma'am.
So we are moving to the next one. Ethan, Aisha can tell me the answer. Others, please be quiet. Okay. Now we have the 8th question. And 8th question. SEVEN.
7.
HUNDRED.
700.
Only this much is. Okay, now tell me the answer. Ones, tens, 100. So what is the answer?
7.
At 100 space I should write the number 7, digit 7. Then what about the tens and ones?
0.
Tens and ones we have 0. So 7 0 700. 700 700.
Ma'am.
Okay. Now I will give you. Listen here. I will give you 2 more questions that you have to do by yourself. Not 2, 3 more. Okay. I will give you 3 questions that you have to do by yourself. And we have the next one, 9th one. Okay. And the question. FIVE 5 HUNDRED. No need to tell me the answer now. You can write the answer later. And EIGHTY. Now we have the next question. SIXHUNDRED. AND and SIX. One more I am giving.
I-V-E, 5.
O-N-E.
100 and
Hundred. You can write the question. Later you write the answer. 100 and
and
N-I-N-E-T-Y. N-I-N-E. So this is the last question. So 3 questions you have to write the answer by yourself.
Ma'am,
Yes.
100.
Yes, Malavika?
Ma'am, can you send the notes?
Yeah, I will send the notes.
Ma'am, can you send
And we completed up to 700. So I will give today 800 and 900. And you have to, those who didn't complete, they can complete. Those who already completed, leave the message. Okay.
Ma'am, these 3 questions answer will you send and we can check it.
You can write the answer after the class, and I will send the notes in the evening. Means after my classes, I will send the notes. That there will be the answer. So you can check with that. Now, I want to tell you one thing.
The answer. Ma'am, please.
Yes.
Please share the screen. Ma'am, please
Yes, Malavika.
Ma'am, please share your ID.
Okay, you please complete it. Now I want to tell you one thing. See, we have to do activities. No, last year and all we are doing activities. So the same way we have to do one activity. See, let me give the activity to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and did you get any other activities? Any other subject activities? You got it?
No, ma'am.
No. So you are free now. So you can do it and you can ready by Tuesday, next Tuesday. And the activity is very simple. We know the first 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional figures, no?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
using that 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional figures, you have to make a picture and color it. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So you have to be in an A4 sheet paper is enough, and be ready by Tuesday. You have enough time. See, today it's only Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday only.
Ma'am, we can color. Ma'am,
Yeah.
what you say?
Please be quiet. Please be quiet. I will tell you one thing. I will tell one more time. Activity is you have to draw and color a picture. And picture should contain your picture should be picture is using the 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional figures. 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional you have to use.
I'll share the screen.
Okay, I will share the screen. So by Tuesday you have to be ready the activity.
Only 3-dimensional and 2-dimensional.
Yes, Anaya?
Only dimensional and 3-dimensional.
I need in that activity 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional. You can add any other picture, no problem. I need a 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional figures in the picture. Not today, my dear, Tuesday. The last date I'm giving next week, Tuesday. Okay, you have enough time. Tuesday only, Tuesday.
Tomorrow is Sunday.
Eh?
Ma'am, how many figures?
Only one picture, not a figure. One picture that contain 3-dimensional and 2-dimensional figures. You got it? Last year and all we made the picture using flat shape, no? As what we can say, art integrated activity. Did you do no last year? The same way, instead of that flat figure, you use the 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional figures. Okay, and you bring you make a picture. You can make buildings, or we can say many things are there, no, buildings, or you can even draw the picture of the human body. That also has many 3-dimensional and 2-dimensional figure you can use. You please search it, then you will get it. Okay, so be ready by only Tuesday. Before that, no need to show me. Only Tuesday. You have enough time. Is it clear to you all? Is it clear?
chart paper we draw.
No need of chart paper, my dear. No need of chart paper. You use one A4 sheet paper. That's enough. Okay, one A4 sheet paper is enough. And you write at the top your name and class, and you can write the heading and all if you want. 3-dimensional, 2-dimensional figures or something like that. You can write it and be ready by next Tuesday. Okay, let me wind up the session. The notes I will send to you, okay, in the group. So thank you for joining.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.